Welcome to Outright Systems. Today, we're diving into the future of customer engagement by building your very own WhatsApp chatbot with Twilio and Python. Say goodbye to delays. WhatsApp chatbots are revolutionizing customer service, sales, and marketing, delivering instant responses, personalized deals, and non-stop support. To get started, search Python Download on your web browser, click the first website, and download Python. Set up Python, check the versions of Python and pip, update pip, install the necessary libraries, and paste your code into an app.py file in Visual Studio Code. Next, download ngrok, open its path in the command prompt, check its version, log into ngrok, copy the auth token, authenticate in the command prompt, and run .ngrok http 5000 to deploy your code. Copy the forwarding URL, create a Twilio account, head to messaging, and in WhatsApp sandbox settings, paste the forwarding URL into when a message comes in and status callback URL. Finally, open WhatsApp, start a chat with the Twilio number by sending the sandbox code, and your chatbot is ready to use. Are you ready to lead the future of customer engagement? Start building your WhatsApp chatbot today and experience the transformation. Let's shape the future together.